Hello, I'm Bruce Board, talking to you about how to make a payment on Assurant insurance. And what you want to do is talk to your agent or broker who sold you the insurance in the first place. They have specific knowledge as to payments and due dates and procedures and addresses where those payments go to. So if you have an agent, that's the perfect place to go, or a broker, however you got the insurance in the first place. If you bought the policy online, you can refer to the website of the company and often make payments through the website. Whatever you want to do, you want to make sure that you have the insurance paid on time or before the expiration of the policy. What do you call that? Automatic payment through either a checking account or a credit card, where the payment is taken automatically out of your checking account or to your credit card on time, every time. That way you're never late with a payment for Assurant or any other type of insurance. I'm Bruce Board, offering insurance in Ventura, California.